Okay, so for this this session, I have some small things in my hand. I will not call it an experiment or an activity, but something will be there in some situation will be there on the table, and based on that situation, you have to answer some questions. It's like a quiz, oral quiz, and during that, the whole emphasis is that you have to think. Okay, through this game organized, a lot of thinking went on. So we have to create platforms apart from our regular school curriculum and classroom. We have to create platform where people are encouraged to think, they are made to think, and these questions which I will be asking are also of that type. Achha, you have brought those homeopathic bottles. Yeah, perhaps you were asked to bring some glass homeopathic bottles. Do you have it? Some of you? How many of you have? Okay, fine. So what you have to do is, उनको पानी कैसे मिलेगा? You have water bottle also? आप दोगे? बीच में हैं लोग, फैले हुए हैं. And you have dropper also? ठीक है. So bring out your homeopathic bottle. See what you have to do. एक मेरे बॉटल दे दो, हम दिखा दे. एक बॉटल है आपके पास में कहीं पे? अच्छा, एक बार कोई दे दो तो जिनके पास है, for demonstration purpose. So what you have to do is first remove that cap. इसके अंदर में कैप है, उसको आप हटा दीजिए. Okay, हटाना होगी कम देना. So you only have this bottle. Then you take something, some printed page or something in your hand. कोई इस तरह का लिखा हुआ कुछ लिखा हुआ आप अपने हाथ में ले लीजिए. कोई डायरी, कोई किताब या कुछ लिख लीजिए पन्ने के ऊपर. आपको इस बोतल के अंदर में पानी भरना है और नेक तक भरिएगा, ज़्यादा नहीं भरिएगा. आप डाल सकते हो इसमें पानी, इसके अंदर डिप कर देते हैं ऐसे. नेक तक लेकिन जरूर भरना है, नेक से नीचे नहीं रहना है. ओके, थोड़ा सा पोंछ लेना और जो प्रिंटेड पेपर है या लिखा हुआ पेपर है उसके ऊपर ऐसे रखना और उसमें से होकर के उन लेटर्स को देखना और ये बताना कि आपको छोटा दिख रहा है, बड़ा दिख रहा है, वैसा ही दिख रहा है. सो दिस इज द एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू, राइट. अब आप इसको मैनेज करो, कैसे करोगे? ढक्कन तो खोलो भाई, ढक्कन बंद करके कैसे देखोगे? ढक्कन तो खोल लो पहले. दिखता है? हाँ सर. कैसा दिखता है? स्मॉल दिखता है. टॉप से देखो आपके लेटर्स बिना बॉटल के, बिना पानी के कैसे दिखते हैं और पानी के थ्रू कैसे दिखते हैं. कैसे तेरे स्मॉल दिख रहे हैं ना? इट्स लार्ज. देखूं जरा, इट्स लार्ज. थोड़ा पानी और भर. लार्ज दिख रहा है, उतना ही दिख रहा है. नो सर, इट्स लार्ज. देखो ठीक से देखो. हाँ देखिए. है कैसे दिख रहा है?
सर इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द.
कहाँ से देखते हो?
यस सर.
ओके, सी ही डिस्कवर्स दैट स्मॉल दिखता है या ज्यादा दिखता है, डिपेंड्स कि आप कितनी दूर से देखते हो. वो भी जरा ट्राई करके देखना था. राइट, मेनिस्कस शेप. तो अभी हमने कहा कि आप ऊपर तक नहीं भरना, नेक तक जाना, उसके कॉन्केव रहने देना मेनिस्कस. कन्वेक्स में लार्ज दिखेगा. हाँ, ओके. नाउ उसमें और पानी डाल दो जितना डाल सकते हो. मैक्सिमम जितना पानी डाल सकते हो बिना बाहर गिराए हुए उतना पानी डाल के, एंड देन यू ट्राई इट अगेन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ज्यादा भरना है. फर्स्ट स्टेप में उन्होंने देखा कि लेटर्स बिकम स्मॉल. नाउ यू पुट एज मच वाटर एज यू कैन इन द बॉटल and then look through it and see what happens to the size. बिग हो गया, एक और डालो. लार्ज. ओके, ये करिए. और आपने क्या देखा सबको बताइए. सर बताएंगे what he has observed.
Size is large.
When?
When it goes increases the level of the water.
Okay, when the level of water goes above the rim, then the letters become larger. And if the level is just at the rim or less than the rim, then the
Letters is small.
letters are smaller. Okay, so that's the observation. Do it at your home more nicely. Okay, your glass bottle should be flat and not colored so that you can see the letters clearly, and then the diameter should be small. If you are using a bigger diameter, then the meniscus will not form. In the middle it will always be flat. So the whole idea is that your meniscus in one case becomes concave, in the other case becomes convex, and you see the different sizes of the letters. Now answer my questions. Next page. So the water, true or false, the water works as a plano-convex lens. The bottom of that water is plane supposedly, and the other surface, the top surface is convex. I am telling the letter case where you are seeing the bigger letters. Can you say that the water works as a plano-convex lens? Yes or no? बताइए, this row? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
True. Yeah.
True? Yes. No? Yes. 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 No. Okay. Does it work as a plano-convex lens, the water, the entire water column? Yes or no? No. This side?
Yes.
Yes. Huge majority is for yes. Yes. So क्या होता था वो KBC में क्या होता था वो go with the audience? Audience poll.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes or no? No, no. Who says no? No. Okay.
Sir, it depends on the other medium, which is the.
This is the situation. The situation is already described in this experiment that you have performed. In this experiment that you have performed, and you have seen the bigger letters. In this experiment, can you say that this whole water column acts like a plano-convex lens? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. No. Okay. So around 10% I believe is no, or 5%, and the rest is yes. Okay, next page. One can use equation like 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F for this water lens to find the image position or the image nature. If it is a plano-convex lens, if it is a lens, I should be able to use 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F type of equation to get the position, the nature of the image. True or false? True or false? False. Oh, the two answers are not consistent with each other. If it is like a plano-convex lens, for a plano-convex lens you should be able to use the equation. Okay, anyway, true or false? False. Okay. False. False. Very good. Do you want to revise the first answer also? Alright, this time it's all false. I cannot, although 90% of the students said that it is like a plano-convex lens. One side is plane, another side is convex. But most of you, at least on this side, say that you cannot use 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. True or false? False. False. Okay. False? True. True. False? True. Okay. False. Oh, this time I think 95% definitely for false. Next page. The magnification, you saw the letters are bigger. Once you have that convex meniscus, letters are bigger. The question is the magnification will depend on the height of the bottle. Yes or no? Yes. Or no? No, there's one no here.
Yes.
No. Yes. Yes. No. True. Okay. In one row, one says no and the other says yes. True. No. True. Yes. False. True. True. False. False.
Yes, yes.
Okay. True. False. How is it divided? False. True. Okay. This time how is it divided? Next page. The magnification will depend on the width of the bottle. Yes or no? Yes? No? No? Yes? Yes? No? Yes? No, it will not depend on width of the bottle. It will depend. Okay? It will not depend on the width, or it will depend. It will depend. Okay, so this statement says that it depends. So this is false.
Yes, sir.
This is false.
It is false.
True. True. False. False. True or false? True. 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 Okay. True or false? True. True. False. यही इतना ही है ना? वेट अभी बढ़ाना नहीं. Alright, so now let's go back to the questions. First question. The water works as a plano-convex lens. One side is plane, other side is convex. But then when we say convex lens, biconvex lens or plano-convex lens, and we use 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, that second question was more explicit add-on to this. Our lenses are thin. Our lenses are thin. When we conventionally say lens, the thickness of the lens is much smaller than the radius of curvature. But here the thickness is large. The height of the bottle is the thickness of this equivalent lens, right? So it's difficult to say that it is equivalent to a lens, and especially 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. If you see the derivation, you always use the fact that the thickness is small, right? So in this case, though it magnifies, but then using lens equations or lens physics is difficult. Now, second question is over. Yeah, third. Okay, now the magnification. So now, what is the magnification? Whether it depends on height or not. In fact, this whole system you can think of two components. One is a rectangular slab, and then a plano-convex lens. Right, the whole cylindrical part is like a slab, water slab, both sides plane, and on top of that you have a small thickness, one side plane, one side convex surface, water. Okay, so it's a combination of a slab, height same as the height of the bottle, and on top of that some. Will the slab magnify? Slab will not magnify much, little bit. But what it will do? It will bring it up and will make an image. Now that image then acts as the object for the plano-convex lens. Now the magnification and nature will depend on this distance from the lens. Okay, so if you increase the height of the bottle, then that from that plain slab thing, that water, the image position will be different. Okay, if you have smaller bottle, the image is it's somewhere here. If you have bigger bottle, the image is somewhere here. So from the convex lens, on the top you have a convex lens, plano-convex lens, that height is, that distance is changing with the height of the bottle, and therefore yes, magnification will change, and maybe if the distance is too much, it can invert
Yes.
and form real image. When you are seeing bigger letters, you are seeing the virtual image. But if the distance is larger than the focal length of this convex lens, maybe the whole nature can change. So it will depend on the height. Then width, next one. Width, when you see only through that small area. If you are seeing from top, you see whatever is on sides, you don't use that part. But the width definitely decide the curvature of that meniscus.
Yes.
Okay, if you have a wide bottle, then near the edges where water is in close contact with the glass, there yes, the curvature is very much there. But in the middle part, the curvature will be very small, almost flat, and then when it reaches close to the walls, then suddenly it will rise. So if you change the width, you are changing the focal length of your plano-convex lens. Alright, and therefore the magnification will definitely depend on that also, right? Not because of optics, but because of surface tension.
Yeah.
Right, because your size of that radius of curvature of that meniscus, that upper surface, is changing with the width. So that was your
Great.
first
Thank you,
question.
sir.